Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your refrigerated transport service business. So if you manage refrigerated transport services, then manually handling all the bookings and inquiries can be very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will provide codes and send tracking links all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for refrigerated transport services with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds with welcome to First Move Logistics. How can we assist you today? And it has provided me with 3 options, so I'm going to select the first one, get a quote. Here are our sample transport rates. Mumbai to Delhi, 20 feet reefer, rupees 4,500, ETA 36 hours, and so on. And lastly, it has provided us for our custom quote, visit this website link given below. And here I'm going to choose the second option that says track shipment. And as I click on it, it sends me a response saying track your shipment live. Simply click on the link below and enter your registered phone number. And it has provided me with the tracking link and it says real-time updates available. Lastly, I'm going to choose book a transport option. And it responds me with, please share your pickup city, drop location, date and time, cargo type, example, fruits or farmer. Our team will confirm the slot and driver details soon. So here I'm going to enter my details. So these are my details and I'm going to send it. And it responds us with, booking request received. We are checking availability. You will get a confirmation shortly via WhatsApp. So this is the chatbot that I have created for refrigerated transport services. If you want to create the same, then we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. you will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Refrigerated Transport Service. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box, under which there is an option to enter keywords. It is used to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot on any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this regex will safely trigger on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have given an option to choose template. When we click on it, we will get list of all the approved templates from which we can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message, and for that I'm going to access the text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Our message will look like this. Welcome to Frost Move Logistics. Here I have added these little star signs because it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. How can we assist you today? So here with the help of this add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options such as get a code or track shipment. Lastly, I'm going to add an option book transport. Once we are done curating our first message, we will generate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with get a code. So here I'm going to again access the text button, and here I will add, and our message will look like this. Here are our sample transport rates. Mumbai to Delhi 20 feet reefer, rupees 14,500, ETA 36 hours, and so on. Lastly, I have provided them with a link for custom quote visit. Once we are done generating our first response, we can move on to the next. So, I'm going to create a response for track shipment. So here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Track your shipment live. Simply click the link below and enter your registered mobile number. And here is the dummy link, real-time updates available. Now we can move to our last quick reply option which says book transport. And for that, I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Then I'm going to link it to this book transport quick reply, and here I'm going to ask for the details. Here I'm going to add, let's schedule your refrigerated transport. Please share pickup city, drop location, date and time, cargo type, example fruits or pharma. Our team will confirm your slot and driver details soon. Here you can see an option to select contact custom field. To learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check out the link in the description box. So here I'm going to select my contact custom field as add and my format as any. And then we are going to create a confirmation message. So here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Booking request received. We are checking availability. You will get a confirmation shortly via WhatsApp. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for refrigerated transport services with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video. And once you're done creating your chatbot, save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.